Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting components and laying them out logically so you can work fast. Use a 12V relay or SSR to control heavy loads. Choose a MOSFET if switching DC. Connect an ACS 712 current sensor to monitor draw because measuring consumption is central to saving power. Once done, wire the microcontroller for logic and the relay for switching, and add a fuse inline. This protects equipment and explains why safe limits matter. Make sure to test. Now you build the control circuit and program the logic that decides when to cut power. Feed the ACS 712 analog output into the microcontroller ADC with a small RC filter to reduce noise. This improves accuracy. Use a transistor or gate driver to switch the relay or MOSFET, adding a flyback diode for inductive loads and an optocoupler for isolation if you expect spikes. Once done, upload code that measures current, averages readings, and toggles the switch when thresholds are crossed with 200-500 mA. You finish by thoroughly testing and packaging the device so it performs reliably in the real world. Simulate typical loads and verify trip points while watching temperatures of MOSFET and relays. This tells you if heat sinking or ventilation is needed. Once done, mount the circuit in a ventilated enclosure with strain relief and clear labels. If things go wrong, check sensor offset and calibration first. If you get false trips, increase averaging or add debounce, and replace a noisy relay to stop chatter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.